Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be, may Almighty keep you happy, keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I'll share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet neck warmer designs winter collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can also buy to the market. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video and how do you make our videos. Before starting the video, so fast today video is amazing. Your videos are lovely designs. Don't miss any video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.